Well guys, I was upset about the cucumbers after the hurricane, but I'm happy to report that they completely did a 180. I'm gonna tell you right now, the key to it was the garden tone and the lime that I put in there, and I believe the soil amendment that I did to it, as far as putting the peat moss with the organic soil to help it drain pretty good, did it some good. So here, let me flip this around and show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, here it is. Just amazed at what it's done in just a 2-week span after I hung it back out here. These leaves, would you look at that? Just massive leaves. It's crazy how big they've gotten. This thing is going everywhere. Added an extra line there so they can go ahead and vine out. You can see it's already attaching itself up here. Got a little bit of flowering already in there. I think this thing is gonna do awesome. I think it's gonna do great. Like I said, it's the product we use is a Espoma fertilizer. It's a garden tone that I put in there along with the lime. The calcium supposedly supposed to help with the production of the cucumbers. And I've also read that the calcium works with tomatoes as well. So I'm going to continue to do that with some other stuff. But yeah, I'm just very impressed by how in a 2-week span it's really grown. The leaves are completely massive. So that's my hand right there. That's how big the leaves have gotten. So I'm pretty happy about it. Hopefully they'll do great. We'll get some good cucumbers before winter sets in. And believe it or not, it's headed towards middle of October, and it's still hot and humid out here. So it's a weird season. Hopefully we have some good warm weather for some of the other stuff, seeds I got going. All right guys, so it's a quick video real quick to let you guys know what's going on here. Like I said, we haven't done any videos in a while. It's been about a week or so, but we do definitely appreciate you guys sticking around and keeping up to date with us. We got some good stuff coming up, our fall planting and some of the decorative stuff we got going on. So again, we do appreciate you guys sticking around, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right guys,